Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start cybersecurity with Norton, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin your journey into cybersecurity with Norton, first, download the Norton software from the official Norton website. Once the download completes, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to launch the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your device. During installation, you may be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. Be sure to read them carefully before proceeding. After installation, open the Norton application from your desktop or Start menu. You will need to create a Norton account if you don't already have one. Click on the Create Account option and fill in the required information, such as your email address and password. Verify your email address through the confirmation email sent to you by Norton. Once your account is set up, log into the Norton application using your new credentials. Next, run a full system scan to assess any vulnerabilities or threats on your device. This may take some time, depending on the amount of data on your computer. After the scan is complete, review the results to see if any issues were detected. Follow the prompts to quarantine or remove any identified threats. Next, ensure that your Norton software is always up to date by enabling automatic updates. Navigate to the Settings menu within the application and look for Update options. Configure the software to automatically check for updates daily or weekly. Additionally, familiarize yourself with the key features of Norton, such as its VPN service, firewall, and identity theft protection. Activate these features based on your cybersecurity needs and preferences. Take the time to explore the security ratings and monitoring tools available within Norton for added protection. It's advisable to regularly run scans and monitor your account for any suspicious activity. Remember that maintaining good password hygiene and using two-factor authentication further enhances your security. Stay informed about the latest cybersecurity threats by visiting reputable sources and technology blogs. Lastly, consider enrolling in cybersecurity training or webinars offered by professionals to expand your knowledge. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to securing your digital life with Norton. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.